What every Social Security disability applicant with epilepsy needs to know about epilepsy and how the Social Security Administration will look at this claim. Epilepsy is a brain disorder that causes seizures, and that can occur when the nerve cells or neurons in your brain send out garbled or wrong signals. There isn't any known cause of epilepsy. Those seizures can be triggered by a brain injury, a brain tumor, stroke, abuse of drugs, or even the abuse of alcohol. Epileptic seizures can range from brief to long periods of shaking. They can be controlled with medication in about 70% of the cases, but it's not uncommon for the Social Security Administration to deny a claim on the basis that the seizure disorder is well controlled or that you don't have seizures frequently enough to be disabling. The Social Security Administration is going to be looking for an objective basis of the diagnosis, and they're going to be looking at the type of seizures that you have and the symptoms that you have. 60% of seizures are convulsive, which include generalized, partial, or non-convulsive seizures. It's also not uncommon for epilepsy to result in depression, anxiety disorder, and migraine headaches. So it's crucial that all of this is documented in your medical records. In addition, the Social Security Administration is going to be looking for symptoms, staring spells, temporary confusion, uncontrolled jerking movements, or loss of consciousness. It's crucial that the complications of epilepsy are also documented in your medical records. These can include injuries caused during a seizure, brain injury, and even psychological problems. So it's crucial that your medical records are well documented in terms of the type of seizure you have, the objective basis of your seizure, the disorder, your symptoms, and your reaction to medication. So specifically, what do they want to see? Okay, here's the laundry list. They want to see a diagnosis of epilepsy, detailed descriptions of your typical seizure, including symptoms before and after, a statement from your doctor corroborating your account of the nature and frequency of your seizures, a description of your seizures from a third party, a record indicating the frequency of your past seizures, the results of an EEG, detailed treatment history including medication and your response to that medication, evidence that you've complied with the treatment, including blood work that shows at least a 3-month compliance with medication. They'll also want to understand whether or not you have problems with side effects of the medication that you're taking and the nature of those side effects. If your doctor has told you to stop work and apply for Social Security disability benefits, or your claim's been denied, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.